Welcome to Auro Digital, the next generation B2B SaaS platform purpose-built for institutional digital asset trading. Originally co-developed by Broadridge, a $50 billion technology giant listed on the New York Stock Exchange, and Diginex, one of the crypto OGs, as the first crypto firm to list on Nasdaq. Rechristened as Auro Digital under a new management team led by TradFi veterans and chaired by the former CIO of BlackRock. Venture-backed by Inventus Capital and Silicon Valley Quad, two of the leading SaaS VCs in the Bay Area. Auro Digital aspires to be the world's gateway for digital assets and has built the deepest data lake for pricing of crypto assets in the world. Over the last 5 years, we have been diligently building the pipes into what is now 102 centralized exchanges, 124 decentralized exchanges across both EVM and non-EVM chains. All the leading OTC desks, including Wintermute, DRW, FalconX, StoneX, BlockFills, B2C2, and many others. And finally, all the leading qualified custodians, including Copper, Anchorage, Zodia Markets, to name a few. We power the full lifecycle of digital asset trading and fund management, from order and execution management to portfolio and risk management, to finally fundraising via a cap intro platform. OMS and EMS, this is Auro's order management system, your gateway to institutional-grade digital asset trading. Before diving into the demo, let me quickly highlight what makes Auro unique in today's crowded landscape. 1. Full spectrum liquidity. We aggregate liquidity across centralized exchanges, SECs, decentralized venues, decentralized exchanges, and OTC desks, all from a single interface. 2. Institutional-grade infrastructure. Our white glove support, real-time TCA reporting, and Broadridge-powered PMS ensure we meet the highest fiduciary and compliance standards. 3. Advanced Smart Routing. Our SOR engine dynamically calibrates routes based on price, latency, fill rates, and gas costs, so you always get best execution. 4. Holistic portfolio oversight from on-chain decentralized finance positions to off-exchange OTC fills. Our PMS stitches together every trade, wallet, and strategy in real time. This is how we stack up against the competition. The key differentiators are 1. Decentralized exchanges integration. Unlike anyone else, Auro offers full native decentralized exchanges connectivity, so you never miss out on on-chain liquidity. 2. Unified order book. Our proprietary order book consolidates SECs, decentralized exchanges, and OTC alongside custom algos, giving you one single pane of glass. 3. Multi-chain PMS. No other platform can stitch together cross-chain, multi-venue portfolios with the depth of reporting and audit trails that we do. 4. Dedicated fund managers and fundraising support. We go beyond software, providing hands-on assistance to help you raise capital and manage your fund's lifecycle. Now, let's zoom in on how we stand apart, especially versus platforms like Talos and Elwood. Full centralized exchanges plus OTC integration. Proprietary unified order book across venues. Modular, event-driven architecture. Institutional-grade infra. And up to 50% lower pricing than traditional OEMs providers. When you compare us with others like Elwood, Talos, and HedgeGuard, the difference is clear. Only Auro offers full centralized exchanges plus OTC coverage, proprietary order book, and better economics all in one system. In summary, Auro OMS is more than execution. It's your institutional command center. From routing orders across CowSwap, Binance, and OTC desks to managing real-time NAVs, fund-level portfolios, and on-chain vaults, everything is unified into one seamless, audit-ready workflow. With that context in mind, let's jump into the platform overview, starting with the dashboard and how easily you can move from research to execution. We start with the dashboard, your unified information hub. Across the top, you'll see key menus like Spot, Features, Options, Spreads, Charts, and Portfolio tabs. The Account Summary widget gives real-time insights into your balances, positions, and blotter. Below that, we've built in a research section with institutional-grade reports, an events tracker for market-moving updates, and curated crypto content, podcasts, and videos, all searchable and filterable. No more juggling tabs or platforms. You'll see a multi-order book setup, 4 pairs including ETH/BTC, along with an integrated price chart and execution widgets. We also offer Auro Sentiment, powered by NLP, analyzing news, social media, and on-chain data. And our AI price prediction uses GNs, LSTMs, and social velocity metrics for future forecasting. Let's place a trade. We'll demo an ETH/BTC limit order, quickly showing order types like time-weighted price, volume-weighted price, smart limit. After execution, you'll see real-time updates in the orders blotter, where you can pause, edit, or cancel. Moving to the Futures tab, we aggregate liquidity from Binance, OKX, Bybit, and Derivit. Orders are routed smartly for optimal execution across venues. And finally, in options, we connect to Derivit and Aux with full strike selection, Greeks, and advanced views like butterfly charts for real-time P&L and multi-leg strategies. At Auro, we've built a full-stack OMS tailored for crypto-native institutions. Whether you're running a PMS, hedge fund, or DAO treasury, execution is just the beginning. You get access to centralized exchanges like Binance and Bybit, decentralized exchanges like CowSwap, and OTC desks, all routed through a single, unified interface. On top of that, we provide real-time NAV tracking, portfolio management across wallets and sub-accounts, vault monitoring, and P&L breakdowns with full audit trails. Auro OMS is built for serious crypto institutions. Whether you're routing through Binance or executing high-touch OTC trades, we bring all your execution flows into one seamless interface. In short, Auro OMS isn't just execution, it's your institutional command center. Now we will jump into the decentralized exchanges part.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Auro Liquid Demo. Decentralized finance is transforming digital asset trading and continuing to take market share from decentralized finance, which is a trend that we expect will continue to inflect going forward. But one issue continues to restrict its potential, that is fragmented liquidity. Thousands of tokens are spread across chains and decentralized exchanges, creating a maze for users and platforms trying to execute even a single trade. This results in poor price execution, high slippage, gas inefficiencies, and a complex, frustrating trading journey. Introducing Auro Liquid, a next-gen smart liquidity engine solving decentralized finance's fragmented liquidity problem. It's more than an aggregator. Auro Liquid is solver-aware, execution-optimized, and gas-intelligent. Auro Liquid aggregates liquidity across 10-plus blockchains and 150-plus decentralized exchanges, using real-time analytics and dynamic routing to execute trades at the best prices, with minimal slippage and gas costs. Designed for seamless integration into wallets, decentralized exchanges, and decentralized finance platforms, Auro Liquid delivers infrastructure-grade performance to developers and institutions. It's also a core module of our flagship, the Auro Digital OMS platform, built to power professional-grade decentralized trading. Now, let's walk through the Auro Liquid decentralized exchange screen. So we have a spot page. So this is the trade widget, and you can see all SEX, DEX, OTC. So I will select DEX. So I'll try to do the trade. First, we put Solana and USDT. And then, the exchange which we're going to select is DEX Solana main. And the amount which we're going to pick is 0.01 Solana. Then you can see our order blotter. I can see there is some balance in my Solana. And here we can see our order book. You can see our order book is DEX generated, so it is unique to our platform. So let's do a trade of 0.01 Solana. I'll click on Solana. It will do a pre-processing. It will define a route from multiple decentralized exchanges and checking multiple liquidity pools. Here you can see, there is one dot this amount is started using Finity as in DEX, and the transaction will go from Solana to USDT. So I'll confirm on the transaction. Can see there is an open market. I can see my order book over here, so I can see there is one trade which is open state. We'll wait for transaction to be completed and executed on the network. You can also see our best bid over here as well. Yeah, my link is generated, so this link will redirect me to the Solana scan, where I can see my trade have been executed. You can see the trade have been executed. I have received 1.153 USDT. If I come here, I can see my order quote. This is in closed status, and this is my limit price, at what price my order got executed. And if I check my balances, so my balances also have been updated from Solana to USDT. So moving ahead, here's what sets Auro Liquid apart. Cross-platform aggregation, deepest liquidity across 150 plus decentralized exchanges. Smart trade segmentation breaks large orders to reduce price impact. Intelligent routing evaluates best paths in real time. Optimized execution delivers cheaper, faster, and better trades. In Auro Liquid, we offer a powerful solution that allows users to trade seamlessly across both centralized and decentralized exchanges. By building a central limit order book using liquidity from decentralized exchanges, we unify access to deeper liquidity pools. This hybrid model bridges centralized and decentralized exchanges environments, providing users with enhanced price execution and greater market depth. We're competing with top decentralized exchange aggregators, such as Matcha, valued at $3.4 billion, 1inch, $1.25 billion, and Jupiter, $1.78 billion. On average, Auro Liquid outperforms them by 0.48% per trade. To put that into perspective, on a $100 million trading volume, this difference translates to $480,000 in price improvement, or 48 basis points of added value. This demonstrates Auro Liquid's strength in delivering superior execution and deeper liquidity across decentralized markets. Auro Liquid is not just a tool. It's the foundation of next-gen decentralized execution. Whether you're building a wallet, decentralized exchange, or decentralized finance platform, we're the engine behind intelligent trades. Thank you. Now let's jump into Portfolio Management System, PMS.
Portfolio Management System, PMS. Auro Digital Portfolio Management System, built in collaboration with Broadridge, a global leader in trading technology, with a market cap of around $50 billion. RPMS offers asset managers a 360-degree, real-time view of their portfolios across centralized exchanges, decentralized finance protocols, and OTC desks. We support hierarchical portfolios, giving full visibility across multiple strategies and accounts. It features integrated accounting with QuickBooks for seamless reconciliation and reporting, and built-in risk management tools that surface key risk metrics to help managers monitor and manage exposure across assets and strategies. Inside the platform, the Trades tab shows real-time execution data normalized across venues with trade-level breakdowns including exposure, fees, slippage, and Greeks. The Transactions tab captures all non-trade flows, fully tagged and converted into accounting currency. The Positions view shows live net exposure, pricing, and P&L metrics, realized, unrealized, and total, all auto-converted. Our Wallets tab consolidates on-chain and custodial balances with drill-down capabilities. And the Reports section delivers performance, risk, and attribution analytics, with sharp ratios, drawdowns, and monthly returns, plus an extended QuantStats report. This is institutional-grade portfolio oversight, unified, intelligent, and audit-ready. Now let's go to Investment Management System, IMS.
Investment Management System, IMS. Using Auro IMS, institutional investor can discover, evaluate, and allocate to high-performing crypto fund managers and tokenize investment products, all from a single secure platform. Auro IMS is more than just a digital platform. It's a curated marketplace, built for institutional investors to explore, assess, and invest in crypto fund managers, and tokenize product all in one place. We basically solve two major problems we consistently hear from investors. First is trust. How do I know these managers and their returns are real? Then liquidity. How can I confidently enter a position? Hear how Auro IMS answer that. We onboard manager after doing a thorough in-due diligence on, and then only those are onboarded onto the platform. Performance data is directly pulled into via our order management system and portfolio management system, which means you're not looking at a pitch deck, you're looking at actual trades. There are no upfront costs for the managers. We charge only on a success raise and aligning incentives across the board. And if you are an investor who wants to allocate fund directly, you can directly go to the Auro IMS investment portal. So what makes a difference? We are not basically a listing site. We have our own dashboard screen like the strategy tabs, which basically shows the volatility, Sharpe ratio, Sortino ratio, max drawdown, and you can sort it as per your preference. Our platform basically is backed by the Silicon Valley Invest Venture, and apart from that, we are also backed by Auroville Hong Kong Limited, which is performed by the due diligence, basically a Type 9 license Hong Kong fund. So right now, I will take you to the strategy tab. So this is the strategy tab where all the managers are listed. And now what we'll do is you can see all the details including the return, their Sharpe ratio, their Sortino ratio. So now let's click on one of the managers' profile. Once we enter into the manager profile, you can see the live trading data with respect to BCITR. You can see that which strategy description that they're using, how their fund located between spot and option, and apart from that, you can see also monthly return data. So apart from this, even if you want, you get a manager strategy sheet which gives you a complete breakdown of their current strategy, their benchmarking, their max drawdown, all the required data that is required by investor. So you have an option on Auro IMS, whether you want to allocate directly to a fund, you can DIY, invest yourself, do it yourself, or you can basically choose Auroville, where we will help you choose the manager basis of through your risk appetite. So this is how Auro IMS helps fund managers and investor collect, and it's a marketplace for fund managers and crypto institutional investors. As demonstrated and reinforced by our partners like Wacom Capital and TDX Strategies, Auro Digital is more than just a trading platform. We're a fiduciary grade, institutional grade infrastructure provider built for performance, precision, and scale. Whether you're executing spot, futures, options, or decentralized finance trades, our unified OMS, PMS, and smart liquidity engine ensure you have access to the deepest liquidity, smartest routing, and complete portfolio control all in real time. Our deep integrations with exchanges, OTC desks, custodians, and decentralized finance protocols give you flexibility and reach across global markets. We're proud to be the trusted backbone for sophisticated trading firms operating across both centralized and decentralized ecosystems. We'd love to continue this conversation and explore how Auro can support your trading strategies, operational needs, and future growth. Thank you.